Brad Hall here, and today I've got this really interesting package. It's from Adidas and Extra Butter. It's a very big package. It's got this beautiful ribbon on it, and it looks like someone tried to punch through it, so you know there's something good in there. We are gonna find out exactly what that is right ahead. Thank you so much to Adidas and Extra Butter for sending me this package. I haven't received a surprise package in a while, so I'm very excited to open this up, see what we got in there. A quick refresher, my record for guessing correctly what's inside the box, it is not really that good, but it is getting better, and I do think I'm going to improve on that score today. This one, it might be a layup. I don't want to jinx it, but I have so much evidence to work with. I know it's from Adidas and Extra Butter and part of the Happy Gilmore collection, unless they're really trying to mislead me. There is a lot of stuff in this collection, some really great items, even some non-Adidas items in there. I do think there's a pair of shoes in here, and I am gonna go with that really lovely Ultra Boost that's a part of the collection. It is a very big box just for a pair of shoes, so I think there's gonna be a little something extra in here, maybe a couple of smaller items from the collection, maybe a pair of socks. I did consider that golf cart scooter, but I don't think this box is quite big enough to fit it. Even if they took the time to cut that scooter down and give me some glue so I can reassemble it, it's just not heavy enough for a scooter. So I'm gonna rule that out, and I am locking in that final guess. So let's see what's inside this box. I'll put this back here. Let's start with this. It's a pair of Adidas golf socks. Let's take a quick peek. They've got that classic golf pattern on them. That is that Shooter McGavin logo. Some nice Happy Gilmore references on these socks. On to the next thing. Another small item. This is a shirt. So it's a short sleeve shirt. On this chest, I'm gonna put this on the camera. It's that same embroidered Happy Gilmore scene. And then on the back, you've got a lot of writing. Let me try to read it on the camera. It says, mini golf, land. It says Happy Land Mini Golf. Much easier to read when I'm looking at it this way. There is still more in this. This one is really fun. Look at this. Right there. 2 cigars dipped in wax. And let me see what I can find out about these cigars. They do have an Extra Butter logo on them. There's a man looking at his sword. This is the first time I've been sent cigars. It is very cool. Now, I believe we're gonna take a last dip into this box, and there is a shoe box in here. And look at this, Adidas Extra Butter Happy Gilmore 25th anniversary. I did get it correct. So it is that Ultra Boost, and it is just a really nice looking Ultra Boost. I'm not sure if you can tell, but there's kind of gold threads running through that upper. This really nice suede piece on the toe box. You've got that Shooter McGavin hand gesture thing. Insoles. These look really interesting too. Adidas Extra Butter on this insole. And then wait a second, you gotta see this other one. Shooter McGavin on this other insole. That was very fun. The shoes also come with an extra set of laces. And then get this. This is a really fun thing. They come with these tees. They actually have a place where you can store these tees. This might be the perfect shoe for golf. Very nice looking on foot. You really do appreciate these little gold threads in there. And there it is in that other camera. Just really nice on foot. So on this episode, I am giving myself the full credit for my guess. The record is starting to look pretty good. Thanks so much to Adidas and Extra Butter for this really amazing Happy Gilmore 25th anniversary collection of items. And thanks everyone for watching.